Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to convert numbers in base 10 to other bases. And I will be doing this by explaining, I'll be doing this using the examples from the exercises above. Let's start from eh, number one. Let's start from number one. They say we should convert 62 base 10 to base 7. When you want to convert a number from base 10 to other bases, what you do is you repeatedly divide that number in base 10 with the number of the base you want to convert it into, and you'll be taking note of the remainder. Let me show this by doing the example. The number is 62, and the base we want to convert it into is base 7. What we'll be doing is we'll divide 62 by 7, and that will give us 8. Remainder, don't forget that 7 times 8 is 56, right? 56 minus 62, that will give us 6. So remainder 6. Okay, we divide this 8 by 7 again. 8 divided by 7, that is 1. Remainder 1. Okay, again 7, we divide 1 by 7, and 1 divided by 7 is 0. Remainder 1. Okay, so having repeatedly done this division until when we get 0, we will now take note of these numbers in the reverse order, starting from the one below to the one above. So this will give us 116 base 7. Therefore, 62 base 10 is equals to 116 base 7. And this is our final answer. Let's attempt the second example. They say we should convert 33 base 10 to base 2. What we do is we repeatedly divide 33 by 2 until when we can no longer divide it by 2. Let's start now by saying 33 divided by 2. That will be 16. 16 times 2 is equals to 32. 33 minus 32 is remaining 1. Okay, let's divide it again. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Remainder 0, because 8 times 2 will give you 16. Okay, let's divide it again. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Remainder 0. Okay, Let's divide it again. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So what is left is 0. Okay. Let's divide it by 2 again. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Remainder 0. Okay. Let's divide it by 2 again. 1 divided by 2, that is 0. Okay. Remainder 1. Okay. Then we take this series from below upward. Okay. And that will give us 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 base 2 is equals to 33 base 10. Okay. Let us do the last exercise. Exercise number 3. 598 base 10. Let's convert it to base 4. 598 divided by 4. 149 remainder 2. That's because 4 times 149 is equals to what? 596. Okay. And 598 minus 596 remaining 2 will be equals to 2. Okay. Then 149 divided by 4. Okay. That will be 37 remainder 1. Okay. That's because 4 times 37 is equals to 148. Then 37 divided by 4, that will be equals to 9. Remainder 1. That's because 4 times 9 is 36. So this is remainder 1. Okay. Then 4 in 9, that will be 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Remainder 1. Okay. Then 4. 2 divided by 4, that is 0. Okay. Remainder 2. Then we take the reverse of these numbers. That will be 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 base 4 is equals to 598 base 10. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. After subscribing, you see a bell icon. Kindly click the bell icon for you to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until I see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.